Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. Today we are doing a hair video. Watch how I transform this black bulky hair into a slicked down hair. Just apply a few drops of hair oil into my hair just to keep it shiny and keep it moisturized a little bit. So I'm using new Ginseng Magic Formula hair oil. Partition my hair. As you can be able to see, I'll just partition my hair into small parts to be able to give me an easy time when I'm applying the moisturizer. That's done, guys. So next you're gonna need a water sprinkle bottle so that you can be able to sprinkle your hair first. You'll need to have your hair moist before going ahead and applying your moisturizer. So for my hair, I'm using the Cantu hair, as you can be able to see from the video. So I'm just applying gently into the hair. You'll need to have a hairbrush so that you can be able to brush through your hair thoroughly. Yeah, so guys, just keep on brushing your hair until the hair is fine and soft. As you can be able to see from my video, I'm just going through it, just making sure that I've brushed my hair. Yeah, then guys, so that you can be able to feel whether the hair is already nicely brushed, you'll just run your fingers through the hair so that you can be able to see whether the hair is still hard or something like that. Then next you're gonna need a rubber band so that once you're done with one part of your hair, you are able to tie it so that it can be able to maintain it. You can be able to maintain your hair down. Yes. You're gonna have to repeat the whole step. Just start with one part of your hair, sprinkle your hair thoroughly. Then next, take your moisturizer, apply it on that part. Then take your brush and then brush the hair through until the hair is soft. You'll just continue brushing until your hair is soft. Don't forget to brush the ends. A little bit of water, apply your moisturizer, then brush your hair. So guys, please note that the most effective thing that you're supposed to do is just to make sure that you've really brushed your hair thoroughly. You might just be applying the moisturizer and applying a little bit of water and then not brushing your hair thoroughly and thinking that this is done, your hair will be able to slick down. No. So please just remember that brushing the hair is what makes your hair slick down properly. So just guys, make sure you just brush your hair thoroughly. Just brush it and brush it and brush it until you feel like the hair is now becoming soft, and then you can be able to brush it backwards until you are able to tie the knots. Just sprinkle some water into the hair, not a lot of water, just a little bit of water. Then apply the moisturizer of your wish, the one you're using. Then continue brushing the hair until the hair is soft enough. Also guys, remember to brush the ends of your hair. Then once you're done, you tie the hair, the rubber band. This gonna be some work guys. Slicking down that black fluffy beautiful black hair won't be a simple task. You'll just have to be patient and until you get your results. So I'm just repeating the whole step into my front part of the hair. Yeah, just sprinkle a little bit of water, apply your moisturizer, then so for the front part, I just wanted like a zigzag kind of look. So I just went ahead and partitioned the hair into a zigzag look. Also for the front part, I really did small partitions. Yes, so that the front part can be able to be fully moisturized, as you'll be able to see. So I'm almost done applying moisturizer on the whole hair. Yes, so just at this point I was just crossing my fingers and hoping that my hair will have slicked down by the time I'm done. Yeah, so guys, just watch me tie my whole hair as you can be able to. Here guys, just watch the result of what I've already done. As you can see, the back, the front, the hair is fully slicked down with the moisturizer. Next guys, you're gonna need a head wrap so that you can be able to wrap your hair. As you can be able to see, hi guys, welcome back again. So it's time for me to remove this band so that you can be able to see how the hair now looks. So I've let it dry for 7 hours. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god guys, so this is how it looks. Oh my god, I didn't imagine it would be this pretty. Man. I can't stop looking at myself. Yeah, so this is how it looks now. So next guys, I have these two braids. Yeah, so I'm just applying a little bit of oil, hair oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this so that it can be, I can have one strand of hair. I wish they came in black, because I don't have like a black rubber band. At this point, I'm just loving my hair. I'm just happy with the result. Yeah, so I've just put the braid onto the hair, and I just want to wrap the braid. I just want to before you do that, just make sure that the braid is on top of the ponytail so that it can be able to be seen. Yeah, so wrap that part of the braid onto the ponytail until you get your desired hold. So I'm just wrapping it slowly until you can't be able to see it. Just wrapping it over the ponytail, as you can be able to see. Voila, guys, I'm quite done here. The ponytail has fitted very well into my hair, as you can be able to see, and I'm just loving this vibe right over here. Yeah, so this is what the result looks like, and I hope, guys, you really love it. Please don't forget to comment on whatever you think of this hair up to. So guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope that this tutorial might be able to help any one of you who would really like to try this kind of hairstyle. Let me know, comment down below, let me know of what you think up to this point. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna wrap the video, and I really appreciate you watching this tutorial, and let's meet on the next video. Bye.